Watch the flow down there, it's backing up.
Got it, thanks.
Freshly harvested sugarcane is fed into these heavy-duty conveyors, moving towards the shredders.
Please subscribe to FlowX Process channel for more high-value manufacturing process documentaries. Like this video and tell us your country in the comments.
The process begins as fresh sugarcane stalks are delivered to the primary intake, where the fibers are prepared for textile production.
Watch the flow down there, it's backing up.
Got it, thanks. Subscribe to FlowX Process channel for more high-value manufacturing process documentaries. Like this video and tell us your country in the comments. The flow rate looks good on this batch. Yeah, the blades are perfectly aligned. We're getting clean stalks.
The clean sugarcane stalks enter the mechanical crushing rollers, beginning the process of turning the fibers into textiles.
This stalk passes the moisture test. We can send it to the shredder.
Good. We need a consistent flow for the fiber extraction process. By utilizing these sugarcane fibers, we're able to create high-quality, sustainable garments right here in the plant.
We've reduced the humidity by nearly 90%.
Excellent. The fiber quality is suitable for the final weaving stage.
The humidity sensor readings are stabilizing nicely here.
Confirmed. The fibers are reaching the target dryness for spinning.
Fiber separation units extract sugarcane fibers from crushed stalks inside a sugarcane processing plant.
The softening treatment is complete. Feel how smooth it is.
This batch meets all the quality standards.
The softening treatment is complete. Feel how smooth it is.
This batch meets all the quality standards.
The sugarcane fiber is carefully spooled onto cones, the first step in creating sustainable textiles for our new line of underwear.
Just checking this seam again. Looks good. Yes, the elasticity meets the standard. Proceed with the approval.
We need to adjust the tension on the tape applicator over there.
Already noted. I'll have maintenance look at it during the next cycle.
By utilizing these sugarcane fibers, we've developed a truly sustainable closed-loop process. We transform this raw material
Just checking this seam again. Looks good. Yes, the elasticity meets the standard. Proceed with the approval.